Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Good morning, students. How are you?
Fine, nice to meet you. And you?
I am fine, so. And just have your seat.
Thank you.
Mr. Rabbi, have you take breakfast?
Yes, sir.
Good. Mr. Pratham,
Yes.
Mr. Sadat, what's up?
Fine.
Okay, dear students, today I will discuss everyday English is very important topic and every day we need to speak it. So open page day 7, everyday English 7. So students, suppose Mr. Rabi, I discussed it, listen very carefully.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you don't know what time is it, then you ask Mr. Pratham. Mr. Pratham, what time is it? Then Mr. Pratham answered, it's 2 o'clock. And not only that, he also say it's 10 past to 3 now. And my watch gained 2 minutes. It means, do you know? It means আমার ঘড়ি 2 মিনিট আগে চলে। Suppose Mr. Pratham was gain 2 minutes. Then Mr. Pratham say you, my watch gain 2 minutes. I would have left in another minutes. Do you know what means? আমি 1 মিনিট পরে চলে যেতাম। Oh. Then you answered, my God, so I'm lucky. Not only that, you are late by half an hour. It means আপনার আধ ঘন্টা দেরি হয়ে গেছে. Suppose you are late, you come this class half an hour. Then I say you are late half an hour. Do you understand?
Okay.
Mr. Sajjad,
Yes.
when do you get up?
At 5 p.m. Sorry, a.m.
So you say you prayer?
Yeah.
Good. Suppose Mr. Pratham and Mr. Rabbi come this class very early. Then I say he is quieting time. No, sorry. Yes, he is quieting time. It means তিনি সময় মতো এসেছেন. And Mr. Pratham and Mr. Rabbi said we are too early. It means আমরা অনেক আগে এসে গেছি. Then Mr. Pratham said, yep, that's right. Mr. Pratham,
Yeah.
what time do you usually come home every night?
And little before 5.
Good. So students, I hope you understand this topic and I believe you must complete your lesson tonight very carefully and hope to see you next class. Please take it easy and bye bye please.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye students.